Hi guys, welcome to the third video in my lace series. I'll be showing you how I pluck my frontal for a flawless, natural looking install. If you haven't watched episode 1 or 2, please do, the link will be in the description bar. To begin, I spray water onto the hair. It helps you to visualize better when plucking. Brush through so that it's evenly distributed. I use a slanted tweezer to customize. You want to pluck the hair out with the slanted side and not the point, otherwise you'll be making holes in your lace. Get as close to the root as possible. Pull from the root, otherwise you'll not be removing any hair. Brush through the hair occasionally because the loose hair strands can cloud your judgment and make you think there's more hair in the area than there actually is. I like to work in sections because it makes the job easier and ensures that you're not dealing with too much hair at once. And just get comfortable in that motion. Continue thinning out that area and move on. You might think, Tony, like you could take out a bit more hair, but my thing is that I cannot stand naked hairlines. No naked hairlines. This is it for me. For the middle part of the frontal, I work row by row backwards. The aim is a gradual fade. You don't want a thinned out hairline, then boom, thick black hair. That would actually look really mad, so part across and work behind. To ensure the plucking is balanced, I then part and pluck forwards. You don't need to part all this way back, but I'm really going for a natural look, so I'll work all the way back here. And then I am done with the middle section. Now for the other side. Notice how the hairline is taking shape beautifully. I am in love. Take a look at this masterpiece. I'll be cutting off that front bit of hair because my hairline is very high in that area. Yeah, this is amazing stuff. I could pluck more, but like I said, no naked hairlines. No naked hairlines. Frontals do shed over time, so over plucking right now would only hurt you in the future. This is all the hair that I took out. And voila, my finished product. Thanks for tuning in. Watch out for the next segment, which will be on how I lay my lace. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. If you have any queries, leave them below in the comment section. Bye.